Welcome to Archlab. Here's how to complete your impression kit in just a few easy steps. Inside your kit, you'll find everything you need: a foam impression box, tracing sheets, instructions, and a prepaid return envelope. Step onto the foam box with one foot. Stand naturally, then apply even pressure as you press your foot into the foam. Then gently lift your foot out. Repeat with the other foot. Next, take the included tracing sheet and remove your standard insert from your preferred shoe to trace the outline of said insert. Label each foot L for left and R for right, and write your name on the form. Place your foam impressions and tracing sheet back into the return envelope. Seal it and drop it into any USPS mailbox. It's prepared and ready to go. Once we receive your kit, our team scans, carves, and finishes your custom orthotic by hand. That's it. Your perfect fit starts here. Visit archlab.shop to begin your order today.